Good night, my name is Natalia Gallo, my number group is 32, and I am going to talking about my trip to Machu Picchu. You can see Machu Picchu is a place where there is a lot of vegetation, a lot of buildings, but these buildings are in ruins. And Machu Picchu is located in Peru, in the top of a mountains and the Los Andes, and is above river Urubamba. When I visit to Machu Picchu, I can meet many tourist places in Peru. Machu Picchu is located in Peru, about 2,400 meters above the sea level. In Machu Picchu is a big ancient city that there is a lot of vegetation and most of its buildings are in ruins. However, it's a beautiful place because the people is very friendly and people have many traditions and culture traditions. In Machu Picchu has four main buildings of the great importance for the history. These buildings there are the following. First is the Temple of the Condor, that this is, and the Temple of the Sun, the Temple of the Three Windows, and finally Intihuatana. You shall go with me to the Machu Picchu because it's considered one of the new seven wonders of the world. No more. Thank you.